won't be hard. Aiden's financial adventures. Bank your dreams and reach the stars.
Hello, adventurers! Welcome back to Aiden's Financial Adventures. Today we're going to learn how to tell apart our needs from our wants, an essential life skill. All right, adventurers, are you ready to dive deep and explore with me? Let's get started. Needs are things we truly can't live without, like warm food and cozy clothes. Wants are the fun extras like cool toys or video games. The key is knowing the difference so we can make choices that help us grow. Both are important, but needs should come first. When we meet our needs, we're ready for adventures with our wants. Now let's have some fun with a quick activity. Card 1. A bottle of water. Need or want? Correct! It's a need, essential for staying hydrated. Card 2. A shiny skateboard. Need or want? That's right! It's a want. Super fun but not essential. Card 3. A cozy sweater. Need or want? Yep, a need, perfect for staying snug. Well done, decision makers. You've nailed it.
Every step's a spark in the night, chasing dreams that feel so right. Through the maze we find our way, smart choices light up the day. Rise up, the future's in our hands. Bright minds, building better plans. With every choice the world takes flight. We shine together like stars tonight. Decision can change it all. Hearts and minds in perfect sync. Together we're stronger than we think. Rise up.
Thanks for learning with me today, adventurers. Keep making smart choices and remember, every great journey starts with one wise step. If you liked what you saw and want more, tune in next week and tell all your friends about Aiden's financial adventures.